Hey all, my name is Arjun. Today I'm going to show you a combination chart in Excel. So I'm going to show you a combination of bar and line chart. So this similar method you can use it either you can change the chart types. You can choose any of them. So now I'm going to show you an bar and the line chart combinations. So let's begin this. And the first I have the data here, and based on this data I have drawn this chart. So this is the final output. So I have changed the color of the bars. So based on the requirement you can change the colors of this bar, or based on the indication what actually the bar indicates you can change the colors, and you can use this highlighted method to show the labels and everything. So I'll show you from the beginning so how we can do this. So now I'll consider again the same this data. Let's take the data and now go to insert and click on the chart here. It's insert a combo chart. Click on here, choose the first one. So since you have only one axis, that is why it's not showing. So for this, what do you need to do? Right click on this chart, change the chart type. So here you need to choose the secondary axis. So what I've shown in the previous is like discount should be in a line. It should be line. Sales should be in a bar. So I'll choose bar here and I'll choose line here for this. So now I'll make the line as a secondary axis. So that is a percentage. Okay. Yes. Click OK. And then delete this. We don't want to delete the lines also. So now need to color this bar. So how we can do this? Suppose for the current value or the current sales I'm indicating, I'm giving some different colors. So double click on this. Okay, and once you get this highlighted, just 4 dots. Okay, and go to home, fill that with the what color you are using this. So this one you want the red color, click red. This, fill this with, okay, and this one with black. Okay, right. And you can similar way you can choose the bar color as well. You can change it here, the bar color too. Okay, so now I want to show the labels. So for that what I'll do, right click on this, click on the one and or you can choose anywhere, like either you can choose it here or anywhere. Just click on that point and then right click, add labels, add labels, and again here, go here, line, select add labels. The earlier it was selected the bar, that is why it's showing it was showing the dollar values. So now we need to make it center. Okay, so how we can do this? Right click, format data labels, make it center. Okay, and you want, if you want to fill it with any colors, so go to solid fill and then go here, choose the white color background, and suppose in case if you want to change the numbers of this, let's say you want to give a numbers, change the numbers type, you want to add a like K format, in a K format, like how I shown here. Similar way you can, let's say I'll copy this from the previous You can choose this, you can find it in a Google and copy this, go here, paste it, add. Okay, and again if I want to give a color for this, solid fill, again I'm choosing white color, and let's say if I want to make it center, okay, like this, right? So yes, delete this. Yes, that's it. So the chart is ready. You can see that it's similar like to the previous one. So yes, this way you can do the combination chart in Excel. Thanks for watching.